Oh my god. Okay, hello guys, welcome to more traffic. Today we're gonna play hide and seek. Shh, be quiet. Okay, she's a girl. Okay, my brother's a girl. Oh my god, I don't care. So let's start now. Let's wait. Let's wait for it. So where is that? Please stop breaking.
Yeah.
What? Here we go. So let's start it. Okay. Hi, Sailor. Okay, hi, Pila. I'm
Binatanggal niya yung ano.
I'm recording.
Ha? Ito wala gamit.
Okay, let's go down for time for a hide and seek.
Wala ko gamit eh. Ako may gamit eh.
Okay, whatever. I have things. I am the seeker. This is hide and seek, guys. Okay, I'm the seeker. Let's see. I'm the seeker. 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 I'm the seeker. Where is everybody? Hey guys, did you get down there? Oh my goodness, what's happening? Oh, let's go on. Okay, that's her. I mean, that's him. Where's Taylor?
Saan ako?
Let's go.
Daddy! Wala ko sa mo. Dad! Yung...
What? What is stop that? Good down. Okay, Taylor. Taylor. Sana si... Okay, there's Taylor.
Yung isda pala.
Come on. Let's go here at the forest. I'm the seeker. Okay, this is the seeker snake here. Let's go to the forest. Okay, I'm the seeker. Okay, let's go now. Okay, let's just wait for my brother. Wait, Taylor, you're
Elaine.
hider.
Hello.
Taylor, you're a hider.
Ang nanay mo!
Seeker. I'm a seeker.
Ano?
Ano ininom niya? Hindi pa namamatay yung mag-trigger na.
Lester, kukulangin ng natin
Ako
ko
wala ito sa
para sa isang deserting kabaho. Ayoko. Mag-advance na naman. Sana ay naitabi
Let's
ka.
find a...
Titignan ko
Where
ang
is
ginagawa ko.
the water?
Sinubulan ko ako doon.
Uy, nandito na ako. Wait lang.
Sige.
Okay, what happened to this? Okay, so we found them on the Sika. And why is there? How to find them? Let's go back to the spawn point. I don't know. Okay, let's go back to there. I mean, we cannot go back to there. Okay, okay, I found you, I found you, I found you. Woo! Found you. I found you. I found you.
Lester, pasok ka.
Oh. Start again.
30,000 yan eh.
Let's start again.
我姨婆用她一生付出，帮助别人，
Start again.
结果呢？她说了的是什么？拜人欺负他，才会把这个大话说出来。
Ito na ang natatanging paraan upang mabawi ang mga
Huwag maingay!
pamilya nila.
Saan ka na? Mamamatay ako. Saan ka na?
Nahulog ako.
Bye-bye.
Back to spawn point.
他们之间的爱情不要跟
Bakit
着
pa ako nahulog rin?
不要看那个爸爸。
Okay, now let's go on to forest.
Forest? Yeah, it's mine. Mine.
Let's go in here.
Ano ginagawa niya?
Okay, we join again.
Pinapralabas ng mga espiritu. Yung espiritu sa pagbangon.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Mula sa amang bago, kasama niya ang mga espiritu na nakakulong sa kanya.
Now let's do it till morning. Morning. Good morning, Squidward. Morning. Good morning, Squidward. I'm going back to there. Teleport to spawn point. Teleport to spawn point. Teleport to spawn point. Teleport to spawn point. Teleport. Excuse me.
Huwag ka na makailam.
Is that Roman? Help me. Okay, let's go back. Okay, Ice Castle.
Guy? Huwag, Lester! Guy! Hindi na sila yan! Guy, kanino na lang sila! Hindi na sila pwede kawain! Ama? Ama! Ewan ko, pero kailangan ko pa rin siyang dalhin sa ospital. Tulungan mo ako. Pakibukas! Sandali. Iiwan niyo ako. Natagal ang sumpa. Mukhang hindi siya kinain ni Ama. Sandali! Paano ako? Hindi ko alam. Basta ko lang may gawin. kayo, sir? Sir. Upo kayo, sir. Gusto niyo, sir, tumawag kami ng polis? Hindi. Ayos na ako. Ikaw ay taga-real estate. Hindi mo. Delivery mo nakakari ka sa nuevo.
Yeah, okay, that's right, dude. Let's go now down.
Pasado, alas 9
You
na
hide
mo.
now.
Wait lang, wag ka muna tingin.
Sir,
Okay, I'm already
wala bang tatay ko
here.
eh. Pakipasok na natin sa loob.
This now.
Oh, Lester. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Tay, pasensya na. Meron ako nangyari kagabi. Pero huwag mo kayo mag-ila. Ayos na po. Nasaan ka ba? Tay, nandito ako sa bahay. Siya nga po pala may bilibero dito ng mga gamit. Ipirma ko na mo ba? Sige.
Okay, so we're here. We just
Doon ko na rin ang paraan yung bulo ng nanay mo.
ang daming ganyan from
Ako na pa bahala doon. Salamat naman at hindi na ako kailangan pang manghirap.
Ishna. Okay, we're in the snow castle. So let's
Malapit
find
na
it.
ako.
Where are you?
Dami mong rabbit ah.
No one's here.
Year of the rabbit ka rin ba?
Whatever.
Para pala tayo, sir.
Okay. Where are you? Let's find them. It will be not right here. Okay, let's turn on the sound mode to hear where is he going. Hey, I hear that. Where are you? Where is he? I can find him anywhere. It's a great hard.
Huwag mo kami dito ako.
Where
Anak ko
where
ang
is
bumiyari
he?
ng bahay. Bakit po?
Where is he? I think it's not a human. That's just a armor stand. Close that.
Please.
Okay, where are you?
Kaya mo kayo babalik. May taga dito ako. Huwag mo kayo matakot sa akin.
Kailangan ko lang talagang umalis.
Oh, found you.
Sa opisina namin. Kailangan
I
ko lang
found
talagang
you.
umalis.
Miss Amigas?
I found you. I found
Sir,
you. I
pakitulungan
found
niyo
you. I
ako.
found
Dali
you.
niyo sa opisina
I found
namin.
you. I found you. I found you. I found
Tanggihan mo
you.
yung swerte habang may oras ka pa.
Ooh, yeah, I found you.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ahente ng
Found you.
Hilo yun. Bakit kaya?
Okay. Okay, wait.
Kinabit mo na pala yung antik mong bago rito ah.
What
Ganda.
the? Why is he not left? Oh gosh. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. Hope you subscribe.
Bye-bye.